Hello everybody, Shemai. My name is Craig and I'm at the National Waterfront Museum to celebrate Swansea Pride. And today we're going to do some dancing to make us feel happy and proud. So come on, let's go and get ready. Now, we're the Wow Dolls, and we're ready to dance. Are you? Hi everyone, now we're ready to dance. Are you? Let's learn the moves all together. Movement number 1, in. It's marching everyone. Let's march on the spot. Get those knees up. Well done everybody, you look great. Movement number 2, it's a rainbow. Get your hands up to the sky. Create a rainbow all the way down to the floor and back up again. Absolutely wonderful, everybody. Down. Now let's look at number 3, tree. It's the steps forward and steps back. That's it. You've got this fun one. Well done. Number 3. Now, let's look at movement number 4, pedwar. You get your hands and you sprinkle glitter everywhere with your hands. Sprinkle some glitter, sprinkle some glitter. That's it, all over the stage. Well done, everybody. Down. Next, it's movement number 5, pimp. So we've got some clicks with our fingers. Can you click your fingers from side to side like this in time with the music? Oh, I can see you can. Well done, everybody. Down. Movement number 6 is my favorite, queich. We're going to make some poses, and we like to call them wow poses. You're going to go down to the floor and strike a pose. Down to the floor. Strike another pose. Down to the floor. You guessed it, more poses. Down to the floor. Get your favorite positions in. Well done, everybody. Well done. Now, movement number 7, scythe. You're going to shimmy. Shimmy forward and shimmy back. Shimmy forward and shimmy back. You've got it. This is a fun one. Well done, everybody. Great job. And now we're going to do more rainbows. Big rainbow to the sky. And back up again. And guess what, everyone? You do this twice. Rainbow. And back up again. Well done, everybody. You're doing a great job. And now, movement 9. You're going to roll your hands backwards and forwards. Backwards and forwards. Really well done, everybody. Down. And now for the last move, number 10, dig. You're going to strike your favorite pose. Boom. Wow-tastic. Well done, everybody. Now, everybody, it's time for us to put it all together and have a practice with the music. Are you ready? Let's go. Let's begin with our marching, that's it. Movement number 1, get those knees up. Well done, everybody, you look great. Remember those rainbows. And back. And a rainbow. Great job, down. That's it. Walking forward. Don't forget to walk back. That's the way. Good job, you guys. Now, glitter hands. That's it. Imagine you're sparkling the stage with lots and lots of glitter. Clicking your fingers. Can you do it? Yes, you can. Well done. Great job. Now for our favourite bit, it's positions. Wow! Positions. Wow! Choose your favourite. Positions. That's the way. Great job. Shimmy. Yes, everyone can shimmy. Yes, you've got it. Move those shoulders. Great job. Rainbow. That's the way. Really shine. Great job. Down. Roll. 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 How fast can you roll your hands? Get ready. It's our final pose. Wow! Well done, everybody. I think we're now ready to perform the wow dance. Here we go. 5, 6, barod I fynd. Well done, everybody. That was absolutely wow-tastic. We hope you have a wonderful Pride. Happy Pride, everybody. Goodbye for now. Diolch yn fawr. Goodbye.